Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Department. I am Shikha Shah, lecturer at LJ Polytechnic. In this video, we will discuss the subject Design of Steel Structure and the topic name is Welded Connections. These are the contents of this video: welded connections, advantages of welding over bolting, disadvantages of welding over bolting, types of welds, and steps for design of welded connections. Welded connections. Welding is the method of connection of two metals by heating one metal by plastic or fluid state. Electric welding is used normally, but in cases where electricity is not available, gas welding is used. There is no requirement of making hole in welded connection, so net effective area is not reduced, and this is very useful in design of tension member. The efficiency of welded joint is 100% obtained as compared to bolted connection. Now, advantages of welding over bolting. There is no requirement of making hole in welded connections. Welded structures is rigid and has lightweight as compared to bolted structure. The saving of material of 15% as compared to bolted connection. There is a less noise in erection, so can be done easily in residential and peaceful places. Alterations and paintings can be done easily. Airtight and watertight joint can be obtained, so for water tank, oil tank and boat making the welding is used. Disadvantages of welded connections. Skilled laborers are required for welding. The inspection of welded connection is difficult and expensive. Costly equipments are required for connections. The welded joints are brittle and having less fatigue strength. The areas where electricity is not available, this connection is not provided. At high temperature, it reduces strength of joint. Types of welds. Fillet weld. There are 4 types of weld. First is fillet weld, used for lap joint and T-joint for simple application. Fillet welding refers to the process of joining two pieces of metal together when they are perpendicular to each other. The use of fillet weld is 80%. Groove weld, or also known as butt weld. Groove welds used for butt joints connecting two members in one plane. It is a type of weld that has an opening between the two surfaces which provides the space to contain weld metal. The usage of this weld is 15% worldwide. Slot and plug weld. The combined use of both are 5%. Plug welds are a round weld which is made inside of an existing hole. Now, steps for design of welded connections. In the examples or questions of welded connections, the given data are the type of weld, fillet weld or groove weld, the size of plate or angle, thickness of gusset plate, total load, shop or field welding and the grade of plate. And we have to find the length of weld. Step 1. Basic calculations. In basic calculation, we have to find the gross area AG from SP6 for angles, and in cases of plate, the area is calculated by the equation B into T. Next, find the value of partial safety factor from IS 800-2007, table 5, page number 30. Step 2 is to find the full strength of member, which is given in clause number 6.2, page number 32 of IS 800-2007. And the equation is P is equal to AG Fy divided by gamma MO, where P is the total load given in question, AG is the gross area founded by SP6, Fy is the yield strength which is given in question, and gamma MO is the partial safety factor which is given in IS code 800. Now step 3, size of weld. IS 800-2007 clause number 10.6.2 is given size of weld. Minimum size of weld we can use is 3 mm and maximum size of weld is different for different types. Like for groove weld, the thickness of thinner plate is taken. For fillet weld, the thickness of thinner plate minus 1.5 is used. From minimum and maximum criteria, we have to take the value of S. Step 4. Effective throat thickness is given by TT and given in clause number 10.5.3, page number 78. For fillet weld, the equation is 0.7 into size of weld. For single V-groove joint, it is given by the equation 5 by 8 into T. For double V-groove joint, it is given by the thickness of thinner plate T. Length of weld. Length of weld is also given on page number 79, and the equation is P is equal to LW into TT into FWT, where P is the total load, LW is the length of weld we have to find, and TT is the throat thickness. FWT is given by the equation, and the value of shop welding, the FWT is given 189 Newton per mm square, and for field welding 158 Newton per mm square. After finding the length of weld, we can provide the length of weld by two ways, by using only side welds and by using side and end welds. When we are using side welds, we have to divide the total length of weld by 2 and provide the end returns as 2 into S. And when we are using side and end welds, we have to deduct first the width of plate from the length of weld, and the remaining length is divided by 2 and given as shown in figure. Here I have given some multiple choice questions for practice. And in this video, we have discussed the topic welded connections. In upcoming videos, we will discuss the more topics of design of steel structure. Thank you.